In this video, I'm going to show you a trick to find a particular video on YouTube using filters. So, suppose this is my playlist called Solutions, and this is the latest video which I uploaded today. So, let me search some of the keywords from this video title. So, I open a new incognito window in Chrome, go to YouTube, search the keywords. You will see it has not come. So, for this, we have to go to filters. One thing we can do is we can also type here the channel name. In my case, it is just B76. So you will be able to see my video here. And if I'm not, if I don't have the channel name, and I know because when we open a video, then at the bottom it shows that when it was uploaded, like in my case, it was uploaded 1 hour ago only. So I'll be going to this place and there I search. It has not given any result, so I'll go to filters and will click on this today or by upload date. So this is how it will sort. It will sort by relevance, upload date, etc. In my case, I'm just finding it by today. So you see my video has been located now. Let's find one more video to see if it works. Like suppose this is my video. It is like boot manager is missing in Windows 7. So let me copy this. Let me go to this window, search it by boot manager. So in my case, I have to, rather than by relevance, I have to sort it by upload date. So because you see this video was uploaded 6 days ago only. So if we sort it by, filter it by upload date, it will be sorted by date only. Like this is 5 days, this is 7 days, 7 days ago, the days are increasing. So this is how I can locate my video anywhere on YouTube easily. I hope this was informative. Thank you for watching the video.